Welcome this video title Transforming Your Outdoor Space. Plants decor idea of a natural oasis. Introducing, create and invite and visually appear outdoor space is a reward and ever that allow you to connect with nature right at your doorstep. One of the more effective way to enhance your outdoor area is by incorporating plants decor from vibrant flower arrangement to style plants. There are a list a way to broken life into your outdoor here. We will a variety plants decor idea that well transforming your outdoor space into a luxury and welcome oasis. Palette vertical gardening start your journey by repurposing palette into a stream vertical gardening. This is your friend's project, not only add to touch of rustic charm but also maximize your plant's space. Simplest attach smart plants box to the palette, fill theme with solved and plants your favorite flower or hun. Here the palettes vertical on a wall or panel funds to create a live broken work of art that well kept on the attach of anyone enter your outdoor space. Hanging plants talk, advertise of various space by incorporating hanging plants into your outdoor decor. You can repurpose of correct such as stun can or would create into rustic and plant certain theme from tree or any stud century use define the, this project not only add ancient touch of your outdoor area but also allow to charm of plants without dark up group space. Conclusion: embarking on a journey of plants decor of your outdoor space allow you to influence your personalization and create into a supply roles whether you choose of repost everyday image or back plants of Sanchi. The result will be a luxury and uninvited oasis right outdoor your door.